Hey there, welcome back to Tech and Talk. Today we are demystifying the SQL top operator in the simplest way possible. So what is the top operator? It is like a filter for your data. It helps you to choose how many rows you want to see. If you only want to see a few rows out of a big list, then top is your answer. So what is the syntax here? Select top number of rows column from table name. Here I will explain you how to use the top operator in SQL. So I am using the fruit table. Let's say I want only two records from the fruit table. Then I will use select top 2 then star from fruit. Then it will give me only two records. Let's say if you want a three record, then you can modify the number of rows here as a 3. Today we have seen how to use the top operator in SQL. Thanks for joining us on Tech and Talk today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more simple tech explanation. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments below. Until next time, keep it straightforward with SQL top operator.